Today we will learn about a simple format table. We will format this table. We have this table or we have this data. So I want to format this table. Means I want to format these rows. I want to format this column. So these are rows. These are rows, and these are columns. Name, RG number, math, science, English, computer, obtained marks, and total marks. These are columns and these are rows. I want to format the table which contains rows and columns. So for the formatting table, is very important because it quite, if you want to make your table more professional and impressive, so you should format this table. For example, I have this data here. Not now select this whole data. So I can format this table with many options. The first option is, first of all, select this whole data. Then under home tab, select you can fill color. Click on drop down button. Now, for example, if I want to format the column, sorry, if I want to format the row, under home tab, click on drop down button and then select the color you want. So I'm going to select blue color. Now I also want to format the column. Now click on the drop down button or click on theme colors under home tab, then select the color you like. Now I selected this color, so you can easily format this table just from these options. You can also change the color of row. For example, first of all, select this whole row, click on drop down button or click on theme colors under home tab, then select another color. Now as you can also change the color of column, first of all select the whole column, then click on drop down button or theme colors under home tab, select this option gray. Now I selected this color. Now you can also format this table with another method. First of all, remove this format, select the column, then remove this format. Sorry. Now I want to apply format to this table with another method. The another method is, select this whole table, then on the home tab click on format as table. Click on format as table option. Now I have bunch of options here: light, medium, and dark. If you want to format, if you want to apply light colors, so you can choose these colors. There are many options here. For example, I choose this color green. Now this format is light. Again, select this whole table, click on format as table. Now this time I am going to apply medium. So you can apply the color you want. For example, I am going to apply green. So as you see that the format is also applied to this table. You can also apply another format. Just select this whole data or table, click on format as table. Now you can also apply another format. As you know, here's the format. So the another format is applied. Now select this whole table, click on format as table, then select uh, custom. Now select this whole table again, then click on format as table. This time I'm going to select this option. So I'm going to select this blue. So here's the dark. Now this is dark option. The dark color is also applied to this table. So it's up to you what kind of format you want to apply to this table. So click on this whole table, select this whole table, then select format as table, then click on custom. Now I can also format this table with the third method. First of all, select, for example, I want to format the row, then column. First of all, select the whole row, then click on cell styles. Now you have different options. You can apply the format as you like. Now I'm going to apply blue, so the blue color is also applied to the row. Now I also want to apply different colors. Click on cell styles under home tab, then I'm going to select yellow. So I can also format the table just by using cell styles. So you can also apply another color. Just click this row, then select cell styles. First of all, remove the previous format, just select normal. Now if you select the normal, so previous formats will be removed. Now click this column, click on cell styles, click on normal. Now the previous format is removed, so apply borders. Now I want to apply another color using cell styles feature. Now this time I'm going to apply yellow color to row, and this time I'm going to apply blue color to column. So you can also format your table just by using a cell styles, or you can also format table for just by using format as table feature. You can also format the table just by using theme colors. You can also format the text. For example, I want to format the text. The current text of the current color of format is the white. Now you can also format the text with different colors. For example, I'm going to select black. So black color is applied to this text. First of all, select this row. I also want to apply the same text color to the column. Click, select the whole column, then select colors. It's up to you what kind of colors you like. So I'm going to select black color. You can also bold the text. Select this whole column and then click on B, bold text. You now select this whole row, click on bold option under home tab. So you can bold this text, so the text is bold. You can also bold this whole value or this whole data. First of all, select this data, then select B. Now you can also format. So here's the we can also format our table completely. So we have different options. Number one options, you can use this or theme colors or theme standard colors, theme colors under home tab. You can also use cell styles to apply different formats to your table. You can also apply format as table. So you have bunch of options here. So it's up to you what kind of format you apply to your table or data. Now here's the table, student table. Now you can also apply different format. For example, I want to apply a format to student. First of all, select this cell or area. Select this cell. Then choose the color you want, or choose this color. So you can also increase the size of text. First of all, select this text and then click on drop down button. Now you have different size here, so you can choose the size you want, student. You can also bold this text. Now you can also apply theme fonts. student. So it's a way you can also apply different formats to your table to make it more impressive and professional. So thanks for watching.